Arcturian body temple, nervous system, alchemy and sacred vitality, PNL, biodecoding, numerology, Arcturian and Buddhist philosophy, Christic unity consciousness, beloved luminous being. The body stands as a cathedral of living stars. Fascia remembers constellations. Organs chant soft hymns. Bones carry the memory of mountains. Breath is the bell that rings the hours of your destiny. The Arcturian current opens a corridor of sapphire, emerald, and gold around your cells. Buddhist clarity turns discipline into gentle presence. Christic love warms each tissue with tenderness and courage. PNL organizes state so that choices become effortless. Biodecoding translates symptoms into letters of wisdom. Numerology sets rhythms so vitality becomes music rather than noise. Your body becomes a temple where peace and power circulate as one current. WAMGA 1. Principle of Sacred Vitality. Vitality is coherence in motion. Nerves speak in calm pulses. Hormones dance in measured waves. Blood becomes a river that knows when to surge and when to rest. The body temple harmonizes through 3 pillars: breath, rhythm, reverence. Breath guides electricity. Rhythm organizes behavior. Reverence invites joy. Effort lowers when reverence rises. The nervous system leans into safety and performance arrives as a side effect. Breath. As first musician, slow exhale equals longer notes of calm. Rhythm. As project manager, sleep, sunlight, and meals build dependable rails. Reverence. As fuel, gratitude and beauty upgrade compliance into devotion. The field responds to coherence, and the day carries you like a gentle river. 2. PNL Protocol, the calm power anchor. Install a body state that your nervous system loves to repeat. 1. Elicit. Recall a memory of grounded aliveness, shoulders soft, jaw released, spine long, breath deep, colors warm, sounds round, weight supported. 2. Amplify. Brighten the image by 10%, bring it closer, add a sapphire halo at the heart and an emerald glow at the belly. 3. Anchor. Touch thumb and middle finger, whisper in the sternum. Calm power online. 4. Future rehearsal. See yourself at a meal, in movement, at work, and in rest, holding this state. Speak one sentence. I move from calm power. 5. Stack. Add 3 more vivid memories to the same anchor. 6. Activate. Press the anchor before decisions about food, training, screens, and social exchange. 3 breaths. 1 anchor. Proceed. The anchor trains the body to choose from safety. Cravings soften. Posture resets. Eyes glow with available presence. 3. Biodecoding map. Organs. As teachers, the body narrates inner agreements through tissues and rhythms. Liver and eyes. Decision backlog and hidden resentment. Practice. Gentle twists and horizon gazing. Affirmation. I choose with clean power. Stomach and pancreas. Rush patterns and sweetness imbalances. Ritual. Warm water on waking and a slow breakfast. Affirmation. I digest life at a humane pace. Heart and lungs. Overgiving and breath holding. Practice. Box or 3 to 6 to 9 breath and shoulder melts. Affirmation. I give from overflow and breathe with ease. Kidneys and adrenals. Chronic vigilance and scarcity weather. Ritual. Early lights down, salt bath and gratitude ledger. Affirmation. I am resourced and safe. Colon and skin. Completion and boundaries. Ritual. Fiber, water and sea salt foot soak. Affirmation. I release with dignity. Throat and jaw. Undernamed needs. Practice. Humming and gentle jaw release. Affirmation. My voice is clean and kind. Symptoms become letters of guidance. Adjust one habit. Repeat for 9 days. The field updates calmly. Yes. Dasietar 4. Numerology rhythms for the body temple numbers. Tune daily practices into mantras that the body can learn. 1. Leadership of routine. Daily line. I author my rhythm. 2. Partnership with the inner child. Daily line. I soothe and include. 3. Expression and play and movement. Daily line. I move with joy. Kya. Structure for meals, sleep and screens. Daily line. My systems protect peace. 5. Communication with body signals. Daily line. I adapt without self-betrayal. 6. Care as stewardship. Daily line. I love my body with edges. Te. 7. Study and reflection. Daily line. I refine with wisdom. 8. Energy economics. Daily line. I invest in sustainable vitality. 9. Completion and detox. Daily line. I close cycles with gratitude. 11. Intuitive timing for training and rest. Daily line. I trust subtle alignment. 22. Master builder body systems. Daily line. I design habits that last. 33. Christic compassion toward self. Daily line. I serve my life without self-erase. Trace today's number on the wrist before meals and movement. The body receives the instruction. 5. Buddhist clarity and Arcturian precision. The middle path turns health into a humane art. No extremes without need. No collapse into neglect. Presence becomes the seasoning. Arcturian precision adds clean systems and repeatable rituals. Rest becomes a pillar rather than a reward. Training becomes hymn rather than punishment. Food becomes covenant rather than control. The result is a life that hums at the frequency of simple goodness. 6. Christic blessing for the body. Right hand on the heart. Left hand on the belly. Breath 3, 6, 9. Whisper slowly. My body is a holy home. My organs sing with kindness. My nerves trust my choices. My strength serves love. My rest restores innocence. A gentle warmth spreads through the chest and abdomen. The day accepts your vow. Deck 7. Food as frequency and friendship. Food arranges electricity and mood. Favor colors that grow from earth and water. Respect the skill of preparation and the pace of eating. Simple, rich, and kind becomes the rule. Hydration ritual. Warm water upon waking with a pinch of sea salt or lemon when desired. Plate composition. Colorful plants, clean protein, friendly fats and fiber. Meal windows. Predictable times that befriend circadian rhythms. Gratitude line. May this meal become clear focus and calm joy. Pleasure ethic. Savor without guilt. Choose with kindness. Stop with breath. After meal walk. 10 minutes of soft movement to invite circulation and clarity. Food becomes an ally rather than a battlefield. 8. Movement as choir instead of punishment. The body loves variety and grace. Train strength, mobility and play inside humane arcs. Morning wake. Spinal waves, scapula glides and hip figure eights. Strength chord. Push, pull, hinge, squat and carry with kind intensity. Mobility melody. Neck halos, wrist circles, ankle spirals. Cardio chorus. Brisk walks, light jogs or dance rounds. Somatic rests. Long exhales on the floor, legs up the wall, cranial cradle. Sapphire finish. Hands on heart and belly with 3 to 6, 9 breaths. Movement becomes a prayer that the joints understand. Derkapok 9. Sleep architecture. As sacred technology. Sleep binds learning, repairs tissue and bathes the brain in clear waters. Treat bedtime like a ceremony. Digital sunset. At least 1 hour before lights out when possible. Light hygiene, with amber lamps and morning sunlight. Temperature, slightly cool to invite deep rest. Sound, soft and simple. Gratitude line, written by hand. Christic shield. Around the room with rose gold intention. Night holds you like a calm ocean. Morning arrives with awake joy. Dararis 10. Digital nervous system. Hygiene notifications are microcords. Cure it with love. Reply windows. that respect the body. Single task lanes for creative work. Mute noisy threads until review time. Grayscale or focus modes to reduce baited attention. Nature replacements for idle scrolls. Digital kindness restores focus and sleep. 11. Gentle detox. Without drama. Detox means completion and circulation rather than punishment. Sea salt baths or foot soaks to draw excess charge. Dry brushing toward the heart. De-sweat sessions with sauna or brisk walks when available. Fiber and hydration to escort waste with dignity. Breath and gratitude to tell the body it is safe to release. Completion becomes a daily hymn. DRAS 12. Advanced PNL. Craving recode and choice freedom. Train the brain to choose aligned pleasure. 1. Identify trigger image of the craving. Notice brightness, size, and proximity. 2. Shrink and desaturate. The image to a small stamp at the bottom left of the inner screen. 3. Build a vibrant alternative that meets the same need with better afterglow. Water, fruit, a walk, a nourishing meal, or a nap. 4. Swish with sound as the vibrant image whooshes into place across the screen. 5. Anchor, calm power, and breathe. 3 to 6, 9. 6. Act immediately with the aligned option. The nervous system learns that freedom tastes better than compulsion. 13. Everyday stories of sacred vitality. Story 1. Mara woke foggy and wired. She installed the calm power anchor, warm water ritual, and amber lights at night. Within 3 weeks, her mornings felt like soft sunrise. She finished her project on time with laughter intact. Story 2. Diego pushed punishing workouts after long screen days. His neck screamed and sleep fractured. He shifted to strength chords 3 times per week, daily mobility melodies and evening walks. Neck pain eased, creativity returned. Contracts landed with less friction. Story 3. Leah carried old guilt around food. She adopted plate composition, gratitude lines, and a 10-minute post-meal walk. Bloat faded, mood steadied. Her social joy rose because her body felt like a trusted home. Nupbersacker 14. 9-day nervous system reset. Day 1. Install calm power and breath 3 to 6, 9. Day 2. Hydration ritual and plate composition. Day 3. Movement choir basics and evening walk. Day 4. Sleep architecture with digital sunset. Day 5. Gentle detox with salt and dry brush. Day 6. Digital hygiene and single task lanes. Day 7. Ancestral gratitude letter and Christic blessing. Day 8. Craving recode and pleasure map. Day 9. Celebration and schedule seal. Repeat each month or season. Rhythm writes safety into tissue. Dersiu 15. The 30-day body temple garden. Week 1. Breath, hydration and sleep anchors. Week 2. Plate composition and movement choir. Week 3. Digital and detox hygiene. Week 4. Refinements, play and celebration. Write 1 line daily without questions. Leave space to expand. Draw a tiny infinity sign in the corner. Gardens thrive with small daily rain. 16. Templates and lines without questions. Body vow. I live today at a humane pace. Meal line. This food becomes calm focus. Movement line. This session builds kind strength. A sleep line. This night restores innocence. Screen line. This window respects my nervous system. Boundary line. My reply windows protect peace. Language turns into rails for behavior. Daisio. 17. Ancestral reconciliation for health patterns. Place a candle in a bowl of water. Speak slowly. I honor the tenacity of those before me. I return exhaustion vows that are not mine. I keep resilience and joy. Draw a rose gold cross or infinity sign over the water and pour to the earth. The lineage relaxes and capacity rises. Davasa 18. Signal chain of sacred vitality. Source. Breath, prayer and anchor. Capture. Lists, menus and movement plans. Clean. Light, air and hydration. Color. Music, beauty and gratitude. Credit. Acknowledgements to body and helpers. Care. Rest, silence and play. Each link multiplies trust in your temple. Jura 19. Affirmations of embodied power. My pace is humane and strong. My breath conducts electricity. My meals honor clarity and joy. My movement sings with grace. My sleep repairs light. My edges protect peace. My work serves love. My life hums with coherence. Daisa 20. Codes for vitality navigation. Wonder 11. Lead breath and posture. 22. Stabilize routines. 333. Play in movement and food. 4. Build dependable systems. Adapt without self-betrayal. 666. Steward the heart in public and private. 7-77. Trust-aligned timing for effort and rest. 888. Circulate sustainable energy and value. 999. Complete cycles and bless releases. Trace the chosen code on your wrist before key moments. The body remembers the vow. Gombulusayur 21. Closing benediction. Hands on heart and belly, eyes soft, breath slow. Visualize a gentle aurora of sapphire, emerald and rose around your body. Whisper, my body is a temple of calm power. My habits are kind and precise. My rhythm blesses my art and relationships. My rest is holy. My strength serves the one heart. So it is. Daily seal. I embody sacred vitality. I regulate with love. I choose from coherence. I deliver with presence. I rest in trust. I glow in unity.